What's up everyone? It's me, your Lira Austin Abraham Ahmad, and this is my blog in media information technology or MIL. So my blog is all about eating street food. So we have sorry for my source because I don't know how to do the manong, and sorry for my low budget street because I don't have higher budget. So so we have here the kikiam and fishball and this called hot dog. So I have just to hear the drinks. Sorry for kasi hindi na nakapatipid. So I put it to water, and I have here notes while we eating the street food para di tayo maumay. I will 10 facts about myself and story about myself. Let's do this. But before that we start, please subscribe, like, and share, and click the bell para whenever I update in my vlog, whenever I upload video. Follow also my other social media accounts. So let's do our content. So we eat first the kikiam first. While we eating, so first, and 10 facts about me. My full name is Iwill Ahmad, or aka Lira. Next is birthday. My birth date is May 8, 2006, and my age is, I'm currently 17 years old, and I'm 2006 kids. Girl, and next year I'm turning 18. 18 na mukhang maraming nagsasat 18 na look like early 25. At 20s na daw me. No, I'm 17. My biggest fear is I'm scary in cockroach like flying cockroach and the spider. And chocolate frog. And I'm scary in cheating. Love cheating. My future want to be nursing. That's it. And future in boy, I want to marry boy like somebody like Baiman, masabar, praying 5 times a day, and respecting when talking to the parents, and respecting me, respecting all the girls, not like me, not me only, but all the girls she respect. And
and she taught me what's the reality, what's the fact about Aria.
What is that? The true or fact in about Islam, and she not bring me in dunya, but she bring me in akhirah, and also our future son or daughter. Next is
Crush in school, or in campus, or in school. I don't have crush in our school. Pwede, hindi ka makakas sa room. So, I don't have. Next.
favorite subject. My favorite subject is
This. My top 3 favorite subject is number 1 is CPAR. 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 Yeah, it's talking about contemporary arts. I'm not in hobbies. I'm out of celeb art, but not really, not really 100%. And next is, the understanding society politics, understanding society, UCS, understanding cultural society politics. I'm sorry, I forgot the subject. And next, the last but not least, the SOCSI or social science, talking about what science, the expertise about law at law. Basta, research is naman Google. Next. My favorite food. My favorite food when in the restaurant was hindi wala I'm not when the restaurant I'm not like I don't want to eat in the restaurant, but maybe sometimes, but really not, but not day in day I want to eat in restaurant. That's not my hobby in the restaurant. My favorite food in restaurant, like fast food or I like Jollibee or like something Jollibee. And I like also in the Muslim the Muslim restaurant food, like lapan-lapan in the Zamboanga City. If you know that. Next.
My hobby.
My hobby is playing guitar. If I don't know how to tune, how to use. I know that how to use, but I'm not. No. My grandmother bought me that, but my mother bought me that my grandmother, but I don't know how to tune or use my guitar and my ukulele. I give it. My brother use it now, but me, I don't know how to use. But I use that, but not in chords, because I don't know how to.
And my hobbies are editing picture, editing video, editing, like what? So editing. I love editing. I want to
learn how to use the press it in right motion. I don't know how to use, but I know that we have that payment. But if you know how to edit press it, please message me or DM me. Next
is I'm also I love also or hobby, my hobby reading Quran. Look. My top favorite color. I love green, blue, and black and white also. From this black. Rating my friends in grade 11 and grade 12. So
sorry for my English because I don't know how to speak fluently in English. Other than no na. My story is so very haba na. So this top list only. This is my top list friend. You can mind them, Charis Tagpulan. Don't mind them. And this is my grade 12 top list friend. I did not finish my third book because So vlog, so I will cut this vlog, and thanks for watching, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click the bell para in my vlog whenever I upload it. So shout out
to my classmate, if you are not doing your, if you are, kahit hindi pa kayo nagawa ng vlog niyo, gumawa na kayo. I edit this. Shukran, alhamdulillah.